Step 1. Check the internet indication on the computer. Make sure you are connected to a network. If you see this no internet symbol, and you're connected to your router via an Ethernet cord, check to make sure it is connected to your device in the router. If you're using a wireless adapter, make sure your network adapter is properly connected. Step 2. If you are on a laptop, make sure the wireless switch is on. If you don't know how to do this, consult the documentation for your device. Usually it is a lever that you can move, or a combination of pressing the FN key with the key that has the wireless symbol on it. Step 3. Make sure your device is not in airplane mode, indicated by this symbol. Step 4. Make sure you are connected to the correct network. If you don't see your network name, then check to see if the router is on. You will know if it's on if you see lights. If you are still having an issue with the internet, then the next step is to call your internet service provider for additional troubleshooting help. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.